Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I just want to show you how to use CapCut. So let's go. The first thing is you want to open up CapCut, and obviously here you will see a page that says on it new project. You get a couple of things at the top, a few boxes at the top. You're gonna have a little gallery. Well, if you have projects, you'll have a gallery of your projects. And from there on, basically all you want to do is you want to click on projects, and obviously you'll come to the gallery, so just select one of your pictures. Now this page is the main page of CapCut. Here will be the main menu area. So as you can see in this area, you're gonna have the at the bottom you've got your main edits, your features, audio, text, overlay, effects, captions, transcripts, templates. You got all your features, all of that stuff. So if you want to select a video, there's a plus button right in the middle, and you can select your gallery, your videos, and you're good to go basically. Here you got mute clip buttons, you've got the play button there, and basically that's it. And then you just keep adding photos and clips and whatever else you want to do. There is a lot to cover. Obviously I can't cover everything in this video. Obviously I would like to cover all these features: editing, audio, text, overlay. You got loads of, like I said, features before. There are some amazing features on this app. It's still one of my favorite apps for mobile use, for all types of edits. It's quick edits, amazing text, amazing kinds of stuff you can do, and in reality I think it is really made for TikTok most of the time. It's quick, it is fast. It does cost, I'm not gonna lie, it does cost £11 a month, so that's your own choice if you want to spend that kind of money. But I think it's well worth it if you are making a lot of videos. And after that, once you're done with that, you're gonna now go to this next place, export, at the top right. When you press on export, you're gonna see a picture like this. This picture obviously is just a downloaded picture, and that's basically exporting your video to your gallery. The last picture is just showing you that you can share it to TikTok right now, or you can share it to Facebook and a couple of the other places. And that's it. That should be downloaded in your gallery and ready to be uploaded wherever you want to upload it. So that was just a quick tutorial about CapCut and how to just generally use it. I would like to give more information. Maybe I will make another video about how to use more of the other features. It will take time. If you're interested in hearing that, then stay tuned. Anyway, I hope this was useful to you, and I hope it goes well, inshallah.